As a potential plug-and-play business partner, you may be wondering, what does Plug and Play provide? Here are some of our services: your own website and domain, customer service template emails, custom integrated business phone system, establishing a business bank account, obtaining credit card processing, business license assistance, financial advising, EIN and/or BIN for your new business, attorney assistance, legal terms and condition for your website, verification department, billing department, customer service department, certified Google partnered ad creation and maintenance department, data entry, bookkeeping, assistance with tax preparation. How does Plug and Play LLC profit off this? We benefit by invoicing your company 20% gross. When you succeed, then we succeed. If you do not do well, we don't either. Plug and Play your future today.